What's been in recent news lately is the new Farmers and Old Farmers Almanac that have been released for this upcoming winter season. And again, these usually are just a flip of the coin here. You can see it down there, season of shivers. We'll see if that pans out. Right now it has much of the northern plains here kind of on that cold and drier stretch. A little bit snowier on the western side of the Dakotas. But again, if our recent drought is anything, it's likely to, again, remain on the drier side here as we go throughout the rest of this fall months. So we'll see how these winter forecasts pan out. And the new Farmer's Almanac here sitting at numbs the word here for the northern plains for the upcoming winter season of 2021-2022. I know there is at least a sign here of some La Nina, some colder ocean waters to develop down across the Pacific Ocean here. The National Weather Service here predicting of around a 70% chance of La Nina conditions developing this fall. And this for the northern plains really all has to do with how much snow that we have currently on the ground. If we have more of a drier summer, it's going to be hard to get those temperatures down quite chilly for multiple weeks on end. But if we have a decent snowpack, certainly we could be in for a colder parts to this upcoming winter season. Precipitation as we go throughout the first week of August through this first week here of September. Again, we finally did start to inch our way, at least briefly, out of our current drought situation, with most areas picking up around 2 to 5 inches of precipitation. We will likely see a significant decrease into some of these more exceptional drought areas, but nonetheless, again, still dealing with some of that extreme drought conditions on the southwestern side of Devil's Lake and just to the east of Minot, as well as some portions here of northwestern Minnesota. We'll likely see some of that changing here as we go throughout this next week. Been completely dry out across the western U.S. compared to the eastern parts of the U.S. and the deep south, again, where the soil is very saturated along the east coast. Going forward into this week, the only decent chance of rain heading our direction on Monday. Overall, though, most of us here are going to have more of a drier week ahead as we go throughout September 12th, right on into the 18th. And as we take a look at our temperature trend here, again, we are going to expect a cooler weekend, and then our jet stream is going to come right back along across parts of the northern Dakotas and parts of the northern tier of Minnesota. And that's going to bring a chance for some precipitation to ride right along this jet stream here. And we'll see a few drops of precipitation trying to reach the ground across parts of the Dakotas again and parts of northern Minnesota. And then we briefly get this jet stream going back north. We'll start to warm temperatures up briefly back up into the upper 70s before we might have to watch out for another cool down slightly as we head towards this upcoming weekend, with highs dipping back down into those upper 60s to lower 70s. Again, recapping this, our best rain chance heading our direction Monday, September 13th. And as we go throughout mid-September, again, likely staying on the mostly drier side. And then late September, we have to watch out for some signals of maybe first frost of the season.